welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new here. I'm Deanna. Today I'm really excited. I am a little place new, but I got my BoxyCharm box. So let's go ahead and do a little quick opening of this and see what we got inside. Alrighty, so the theme for this month's box is the harvest. It's pretty cute with little pumpkins. Got some little pine cones and definitely some foliage with the leaves changing down on here. So we're just gonna go ahead and go in order and list off what we got. Alrighty, so the first thing I did get was this Natasha Denona eyeshadow palette. This is the Peak palette. This is a lot of warm tones. It said it was based off of some safari sunrises, definitely a good natural palette. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch these for you. And this does retail for $48. Alright, so next in the box is the Dr. Brandt Antioxidant Spray Toner. That's really interesting. I've never seen a toner in a spray before in particular. It says this toner is packed with antioxidants, a rich blend of green tea, white tea to shield your skin from free radicals and environmental stressors. It is formulated with red rose wine, lotus flower extract to tone, soothe, and purify, leaving the skin feeling soft, hydrated, and revitalized. This does retail for $40. Alrighty, and next in the box is the Milk Makeup Waterproof Mascara. This is very heavy, feels like metal. So this is what this does look like. And then on the back side, this is what the brush applicator does look like. And then just a little bit about the mascara. It's a waterproof, intense black mascara. It's thickening with heart-shaped fibers and conditioning hemp-derived cannabis seed oil. So that's really cool. And this does retail for $24. Alrighty, so next in the box is this half-caked Game Changer Lip Fondant Trio. So it comes in this little thing. It looks like a little pack of cards. I think this is so cute. And it says bake tested, vegan approved. That's just so cute with the little half donut. Alright, these lip fondant liquid lipsticks go on with a feather light texture and dry completely matte. For best wear, make sure lips are exfoliated and hydrated before applying. This does retail for $32. So let's go ahead and take these out of here and see what shades we've got. Alrighty, so these are the shades we got. Some really, honestly, a nice nude with a little bit of a red at the end here. So this first one right here, this very kind of cool nude is called Theme Song. And then I'll just swatch these on the back of my hand for you. So this is Theme Song. This next one is called Low Key. This one is Low Key. And then this kind of darker shade red is 82 Bordeaux. Ooh, this is like a nice like brick color. Very, very pretty. I really like all of these shades. You got a nice nude, a kind of a pinky nude, and you got a nice red here too. These smell really good. They smell a little bit like coconut. Alrighty, so last thing in the box I got was this Alamar eyeshadow primer. This is the Alamar Cosmetics Pero Primero Primer Long Wear Sticky Pigment Base. A water-based primer designed to glue eyeshadow in place to maximize color and pearl dimension. It's water and wear resistant, and enriched with shea butter to provide skin with conditioning and moisturizing benefits. It also works as glitter glue. Mix with your favorite concealer to customize the primer's shade. This does retail for $15. That's not horrible. It's like a beige. Alrighty, so that is everything in my box. I really, really enjoyed everything I got. I really can't wait to try out this Natasha Denona eyeshadow palette. I'm really, really, really excited for this spray toner. That's just like, seems mind-boggling to me that you would just like spray it on. And these liquid lipsticks, I mean, they're drying down matte. And I mean, they're drying down matte. So I'm really excited to see if they'll last long as well. So I'm just excited for this little box that I got. So I think this was a really good box. Oh, there was also this Natasha Denona at 25% off. And this is for Boxy, and the code is NDXBoxy. So NDXBoxy will get you 25% off of the Natasha Denona. And that is the end of this video, guys. I hope you guys have a good one. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.